loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA.
So I'm Ethan King, founder and CEO of Zeus Closet and stuff4GREEKS. Well, we started out as a graphic design company. Like we would do like logos and stuff and branding for clients. And then we started stuff4GREEKS just kind of as a side project, like a spin-off website, just because of our passion for fraternities and sororities. And that ended up taking off, and we were getting orders from across the country, and that we just devoted all of our attention to stuff4GREEKS. So after a few years of working out of our home basement, we decided to open Zeus Closet in 2009, and so now we're on our second location, and things are looking pretty good. We say it like this, like anybody can put your letters on a shirt, we do that too, but that's not really what makes us sing. It's all about making you a masterpiece. We want to turn you into a walking piece of art, and the reaction should be like when you wear your jacket, you wear your jersey, whatever you got from stuff4GREEKS or from Zeus Closet, we want people to be like, wow, where did you get that? Like that, like we just wanted to blow people away. That's what we're all about, not just sticking letters and numbers on stuff. One of our mottos is you dream it, we design it. So a lot of people come to us with just an idea, a concept that most other stores can't pull off, but we make it happen because all of us here are artists by trade, artists from different walks of life. We got people who work here who are like tattoo artists, we got musicians, we got painters, fine artists. Everybody has some type of art background, and we all come together as like a super team to bring these Greek visions to life. So a lot of people ask us about these two jackets here, and this kind of goes to the origin of the company. So when I pledged, this is way before stuff4GREEKS existed, obviously, but I sketched out this bunny that I wanted on the back of the jacket, and my line brothers took it to some company, and they were like, yeah, we're gonna get them made, and they came back with this right here. And if you zoom in on this bunny, you can kind of see all the little flaws with it. Don't look anything like my jacket, but like my sketch. You can see how they got the wrong number here, the threads are raggedy. And I was like, man, you know what? I don't even want the jacket. This is my line brother's jacket. And I didn't even want it. I didn't even buy my own line jacket because I was just disgusted with how bad the design looked. So fast forward 5 years later, we had the company going, and I decided to remake the exact same jacket for my line brother and send it to him. So you can see here how crisp. Now these jackets are probably 15 years old. You can see how crisp everything still is, how white everything still is. We have a lifetime embroidery guarantee on all of our jackets. So a lot of people think, oh, Greek stores all the same, jackets are all the same, embroideries are all the same, but we have this up here to illustrate the difference between the two. And you can see it's like day and night. You get what you pay for when it comes to quality. This is Pat, our office manager. That's Brandy. Yeah, this is like where the magic happens. Okay. So maybe we'll get something ready. Yeah, just kind of the high-end machines here.
Oh wow.
We use the color pink that the customer requested and approved. So we bring the customer's creative vision to life. We know that the colors of pink, the AKA are salmon pink and apple green. We've been doing this a long time. We know exactly what we're doing. But we honor the customer's creativity, their wishes. So she wanted to use more of a vibrant, hot pink, Greek pink. So that's cool. We respect her. She has a lighter pink in the crest. So I just want to point that out. Besides just the Greek world, we do stuff for the movie industry, the corporate world. We do school uniforms. You dream it, we design it. We're like a tattoo shop for your clothes. We did some stuff for Marvel Studios. I don't know if you've seen that show Black Lightning on Netflix. So we did some stuff for them, like on the very first episode, all the school uniforms that where his daughter goes to school, we did those. It's exciting being in Atlanta because you got the whole movie and film industry in Atlanta is booming right now. In fact, we film more movies and TV in Atlanta than anywhere else in the world. I don't know if a lot of people realize that, but more than Hollywood, more than New York, Atlanta is the #1 spot for filming TV right now. We got this space built out back in '09 when we bought this building. It was all just empty, like just a big empty, like it looked like a greenhouse, like a landfill. And we designed it all and built all the walls and everything from scratch. Chris?
Hello.
What's up?
Yes, the instance of when you get your stuff done somewhere else. So.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm currently removing her stitches for her, so we can update her proof for her.
We fix a lot of other people's mistakes.
Oh no.
A lot of other companies' mistakes, and we remove the stitches and then put our work in place of it, and then you don't have to worry about it because you have a lifetime guarantee once we put our stitches on.
Oh wow.
We call these fabricazis. So these are like embroidered portraits. So if you zoom in on it, you can like see the stitches. But we got this idea because of we had so many customers who want their portrait on the back, just like your jacket. You know, you get your picture on the back of a jacket. And we were like, oh man, that's really cool when we do that. We were like, well, people get portraits in their house with like oil paintings. So why not give them a new medium? You could get, instead of an oil painting, you can get it in stitches. So we redraw the person's face in the computer by hand, layer by layer, and then we send it to the embroidery department, and then they set up the stitches for each area of the design and then embroider it out. So it's definitely a work of art. It's a time-consuming process, but you know, it's a labor of love. And we started this company with $700, just like out of our pocket, and you know, we take the profits of the company and just reinvest it and keep growing and growing, and you know, hiring people, providing jobs for people. But you know, we just feel extremely blessed to be able to do this. We won tons of awards. We've been in the newspaper multiple times. I'll show you. Oh, like this is me. This is when I gave Vivica Fox hers. Oh wow. Her fabricazi for her 50th birthday. And then she shouted us out on Instagram. And then these are Oprah's dogs with their stitches. And we also do baby stuff. We got the frat brat line with the baby stuff. We want everybody to feel pride.
Memories, you know.
Yeah, it's a keepsake. You know, it's you're gonna treasure that, you know, forever for the rest of your life. So these are actually like batons. You can give it to a team member when you see that they've done something that exemplifies one of our core values. But promises, you know, if you pay for like rush or something, we give you a guaranteed date. We'll make sure you have it by that date. So we always keep our promises to the customer and to each other. Accuracy, you know, the jacket speaks for itself. Like every stitch is placed with precision. We're accurate with everything. Logic, you know, we always use deductive reasoning, because a lot of times when you're dealing with custom work, you're going to run into a situation where you encounter something that you've never encountered before. But everybody here is empowered to use logic to like figure out how to do C by what you did with A and B, you know, and use your own brain power to figure out how to do it the best way. In the systems, you know, we document everything we do like step by step, so that you can train the next person, like this is how we do it, so that way you get a consistent experience with us. Whether you order from us 10 years ago or whether you order from us yesterday, you're going to get the exact same quality. You know, just like McDonald's, when anywhere else, you know, it's going to be, you know, you want your burger to be exactly the same as if you go get it in Kansas versus you get it in Atlanta, right? So we want it to be the same way here, especially as we continue to grow and expand different locations. Every Zeus's Closet needs to have the exact same experience.